Rock-a-boom and Jemima, conch ain't got no bone. 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 The queen conch's scientific name is Strombus gigas. The queen conch is an invertebrate, meaning it is an animal without a backbone. The queen conch is a large marine snail that lives in the Caribbean Sea and adjacent waters. It is one of the most valuable fishery resources for every country throughout its range. We in the Bahamas eat this delicacy as cracked conch, conch salad, stew conch, boiled conch fritters, and the list goes on and on. The queen conch reaches its maximum length of approximately 1 foot in 3 to 5 years. It spends its growth resource thickening its shell rather than increasing in size. The queen conch lives in sand flats and seagrass beds that are associated with coral reefs. If you are ever in the Bahamas, you can try this Bahamian delicacy.